What if your hair restoration journey could actually be simple? And stylist, what if you could add a new stream of income without overcomplicating your business? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Assunta Davidson, and I am bringing you easy, innovative solutions like this one. A lace crochet bob unit that adds fullness, covers thinning and short areas, and still allows for a natural leave out. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're starting with a basic crochet braid foundation. Okay, so I have about 7 braids to the back. Where you want your hair to be parted, you want to do Iverson braids along that part. I believe I have about 4 to 5 braids on either side. Okay, you do this pattern because you want those crochet braids to look like they're individual box braids coming out of your scalp. You don't want those railroad tracks along your part, and so that's why I do this braid down. Now my unit is complete. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to provide the information about the download do-it-yourself video that is available on my website so that you can learn how to make this unit yourself. It includes all of the hair, the tools, the foundation lace cap that I'm using, and you can make this unit yourself. And if you're a stylist, you can make this unit and sell it to your consumer and add an extra stream of income back into your business. Like, why not? So right now I'm just adding the individual crochet braids just to blend it to the unit. Keep watching. Now this hair is synthetic, but to control the frizz, I am using my Curl and Wave Defining Mousse. Yes, you can use it on synthetic hair. It works amazing. So I'm just taking that, kind of scrunching it. I'm going to let it just air dry. It also just adds a little sheen and luster to the hair. And if you're anything like me, like I cannot not put product on my hair. I don't care if it's synthetic, human, I'm going to put something on it. I just need to. Like, that's just the stylist in me. So I'm doing that, adding the mousse to add that sheen, the moisture, and it's to maintain that frizz. And I did cut and shape the unit how I would want it to be. You can cut it and stack the bob however you want it to be. This is the shape that I was going for. The Be Renewed digital hair vault is now open, and I am spilling all the innovative hair tea, okay? If you are looking for a simple, effective solution, whether for yourself or your clients, this is your moment. Head over to BeRenewedBeauty.com, and just for $25, you'll learn how to create this exact look. Don't wait, sis. Tap in now. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys.